So you're flashing your camera, your flashlight at me so that I can't record? Is that the idea?
My flashlight because you're pointing something at me and I'm concerned about my safety.
You're concerned about your safety after there was a police shooting on this block?
Yeah.
Yes?
Especially after that.
Especially because it's on video that you responded, your colleagues responded within 30 seconds by shooting beanbags and then bullets. You are the danger on the streets. That's why we're out here. And you're a danger to this community, and you were sent here by your sergeants to tear up this community in retaliation for them being witnesses to a police shooting. Can I have your badge number, please?
2095.
Excuse me?
2095.
20195.
If I heard it correctly.
You also targeted the tents where people were not present at the moment, so they couldn't pick up their property, and so you've now destroyed personal property. And you were very well schooled in telling me that you feel threatened because you know with that you can get away with murder. And I am not threatening you. I am an observer. And I am within my rights to observe and film. I'll just go around.